Finally, we have a summary of all the examples that we've gone over today. So we have talked about graphs, we have looked at equations, and we have looked at some context or word problems in relation to whether something is discrete or continuous. And here are some things to keep in mind. So if we're talking about a graph, if the points are not connected, we know it's discrete. If the points are connected, we know it's continuous. Discrete with not connected, that means that we are counting those points, where continuous means we can measure all the points and the values in between. In terms of equations, if something can be represented with a recursive formula and an explicit equation, then we are looking at it being discrete. If it can only be represented with an explicit equation, it is continuous. Continuous functions cannot be represented with a recursive equation. And then in terms of our context, if it's discrete, the change happens all at once, or we can think of it as the values are countable. If it's continuous, the change is happening constantly or continuously, and we can look and measure those values and always find something in between two other points. I would recommend writing this down, so you might want to pause the video now and copy down this summary.